½ kilograms boneless chicken, 1 small size onion, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoons roasted gram flour, 1 tablespoon roasted and crushed coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon roasted and crushed cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon allspice powder, 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves, 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Chop well. Grease the hand. Make balls. Three-quarters cup cooking oil. Add chicken balls. Cook on low flame for 3 minutes. Set aside. Medium-sized onion finely chopped. Cook on medium flame until light golden. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Cook for 1 minute. 1 cup tomato paste. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. Cook until oil separates. Add chicken balls. Mix well. Cover and cook on low flame for 4 minutes. One tablespoon lemon juice. 1/2 teaspoon allspice powder. Cook for 1 minute. Four green chilies. Fresh coriander leaves.